Bienvenidos, chicos y chicas, and welcome to Spanish class. I hope you all are doing well. Today we're going to be talking about la casa and the rooms in a house. And so we're going to be specifically focusing on el baño, the bathroom, and el dormitorio, the bedroom. So let's go ahead and let's start with el baño. So in el baño, we have some different things that most of us are all going to have. They might be different sizes, they might look different, but we're all going to see these different items. First is el inodoro, the toilet or the commode. We all have one, whether it's big or small. Usually, we all have one in our bathroom. And we have papel higiénico, toilet paper, el espejo, mirror, el lavamanos, the sink, la toalla, towel, y la bañera, the bathtub. So I'm going to say these again, and I want you to repeat them after me. Inodoro, papel higiénico, espejo, lavamanos, toalla, bañera. Muy bien, chicos y chicas. And these are the items that we would find in the bathroom or el baño. Then we have el dormitorio, the bedroom. There are other words that we can use for this room of the house. Sometimes you'll hear people call it habitación or cuarto, but we are going to be using the vocabulary word dormitorio for bedroom. Now, in our bedrooms, there's going to be different things. Sometimes you're going to have items listed here, and some of them you might not have in your bedroom. I know for me that I have some of these items, but then I don't have all of them. So let's start with the most important item that most of us have is la cama, the bed. We'll also see arte or decoraciones, art and decorations. Ventana, windows. Most of us usually have a window in our room. Un escritorio, a desk. Y la silla, a chair. Some of us will have a desk and a chair, and sometimes we don't. It just depends on how big our bedrooms are. And then la alfombra, the carpet. Some of us will have a carpet in our room. Some of us don't. I know that I have a carpet attached to the floor. So I have one, but then some of us sometimes will have a separate carpet. It all just kind of depends on what you have at your home. So let's go over these again. I want you to repite, por favor. La cama. Arte. Decoraciones. Ventana. Escritorio. Silla. Alfombra. Muy bien, chicos y chicas. And that is el dormitorio. Now, with all this information, with learning these new terms, I want you to complete the Google Forms based on the vocabulary that you learned today. So my Google Forms is posted in the Google Classroom, and when you get there, it's going to ask you for your name, and then it's going to have the picture of the different rooms, so in this case, el baño, and it has each item is numbered, and then you're going to identify what number the item or what the item is for that number. So like for number 1, ¿qué es número uno? What is number 1? You would choose the answer that best fits the question. Once you've answered all the questions, so you have questions about the bathroom, and then also for the dormitorio, you do the same thing. And then you'll make sure to submit it, and then you are done. And so that is your lesson for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys next week. Adios and hasta luego.